Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of WhatsApp and how you can enable the highly anticipated Meta AI feature. So, let's get started. First things first, make sure to update your WhatsApp app if it's not already up to date. To do this, go to your App Store and look for any updates from WhatsApp. Once you've updated, open up WhatsApp, but wait! There's more! The Meta AI feature is currently only available in a handful of countries. So if you don't see it right away, don't panic. Try opening a new chat with any contact and start typing a message. If you see a prompt that says, "I want to help, let's collaborate," or "tell me more," you've got access to the Meta AI. If for some reason it still doesn't show up after updating your app or changing countries in your account settings, don't worry. Just give it some time. It should pop up within a day or two. That's all for today, folks. We hope you found this guide helpful in enabling WhatsApp's Meta AI feature. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.